Why I decided to try chia seeds daily. Many people focus on what they eat during the day, yet still experience fatigue, digestive discomfort, or unstable blood sugar levels. I noticed that even with careful meals, my energy dipped easily and blood sugar readings felt unpredictable, especially in the morning. Rather than making drastic changes or relying on supplements, I wanted to test a simple, food-based habit that could fit naturally into daily life. Chia seeds stood out because they are widely used, affordable, and known for their high fiber content. I decided to consume them consistently every day and observe how my body responded over time. What makes chia seeds unique nutritionally? Chia seeds are small, but they contain a powerful combination of soluble fiber, plant-based protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and essential minerals such as magnesium and calcium. One of their most important features is their ability to absorb liquid and form a gel. This gel plays a critical role in digestion and glucose absorption. Unlike fast-digesting carbohydrates that enter the bloodstream quickly, chia seeds slow down how nutrients are released, which can have a noticeable effect on energy levels and blood sugar stability. The first changes I noticed in digestion. Within the first few days of eating soaked chia seeds daily, digestion felt calmer and more predictable. Meals felt more satisfying, and there was less bloating or heaviness afterward. The gel-forming soluble fiber appeared to slow digestion gently rather than stopping it, helping food move through the gut more evenly. This created a sense of balance instead of the usual ups and downs that come with irregular digestion. Over time, this steady digestive process seemed to influence other areas of health as well. How my energy levels shifted. Before adding chia seeds, energy levels fluctuated throughout the day. After consistent daily use, energy felt more stable and sustained. Instead of sharp boosts followed by sudden fatigue, there was a steady sense of fuel. This likely happened because chia seeds release energy slowly, preventing rapid blood sugar spikes and crashes. The body seemed better supported between meals, and the urge for unnecessary snacking decreased naturally. The impact on blood sugar balance. One of the most noticeable changes was how blood sugar responded, particularly during long gaps without food. The soluble fiber in chia seeds forms a gel in the digestive tract that slows the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream. Instead of a sudden rise in blood sugar, glucose entered more gradually. Over time, this supported steadier readings and reduced unexpected spikes, especially during the night and early morning. The presence of healthy fats also appeared to support insulin function, which plays a key role in blood sugar regulation. Beyond blood sugar balance, daily chia seed consumption appeared to influence several other areas of health. Other benefits of chia seeds beyond blood sugar. Support for digestive health. Chia seeds are rich in soluble fiber, which absorbs water and forms a gel in the digestive tract. This gel helps regulate how food moves through the intestines, reducing constipation and promoting smoother digestion. By feeding beneficial gut bacteria, chia seeds also support a healthier gut environment, which plays an important role in overall metabolic and immune health. Help with appetite control and weight balance. When chia seeds absorb liquid, they expand and increase in volume. This creates a natural feeling of fullness without heaviness. As a result, appetite becomes easier to manage, and unnecessary snacking driven by blood sugar dips or hormonal hunger signals may reduce over time. This effect supports healthy weight balance without restrictive dieting. Support for heart and circulatory health. Chia seeds contain plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to support heart health. These fats help reduce inflammation and may support healthy cholesterol balance. Regular intake can contribute to improved blood vessel function and better circulation, which becomes increasingly important with age. Contribution to bone and muscle health. Chia seeds provide important minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. These minerals support bone strength, muscle function, and nerve signaling. For adults over 40, when bone density and muscle recovery naturally decline, these nutrients help maintain structural and functional stability. Support for energy and endurance. Because chia seeds release energy slowly, they help maintain steady stamina rather than quick bursts followed by fatigue. This makes them useful for people who experience midday energy crashes or feel drained after long periods without food. The combination of fiber, protein, and healthy fats supports sustained energy output. Help with inflammation and recovery. The omega-3 content and antioxidant compounds in chia seeds may help reduce low-grade inflammation in the body. Lower inflammation supports better joint comfort, improved recovery after physical activity, and overall metabolic balance. Support for hydration balance. Chia seeds can help the body retain fluids more effectively because of their gel-forming fiber. This may support hydration at the cellular level, especially in warm climates or during physical activity. Proper hydration is closely linked to digestion, circulation, and energy regulation. Potential support for hormonal balance. Stable blood sugar and improved mineral intake indirectly support hormonal balance. Magnesium in chia seeds plays a role in calming the nervous system and supporting sleep quality, which influences stress hormones such as cortisol. Balanced cortisol levels can positively affect metabolism, appetite, and energy patterns. How I prepared chia seeds each day. The exact method I used. I used 1 teaspoon of chia seeds each day. The seeds were added to a full glass of plain water at room temperature. The mixture was stirred immediately to prevent clumping and then left to soak. Although soaking for at least 30 minutes was sufficient, soaking overnight produced the smoothest texture and the most consistent digestive effect. By morning, the seeds had absorbed the water and formed a soft, gel-like consistency that was easy to drink and gentle on the stomach. When I consumed them, timing played an important role in how my body responded. On most days, I consumed the soaked chia seeds 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime. This allowed digestion to slow naturally as the body entered sleep mode. When taken at this time, the soluble fiber continued working overnight, supporting steady glucose release and reducing morning blood sugar fluctuations. Why I avoided add-ins. I did not add honey, fruit, lemon, or sweeteners. Adding sugars or flavorings at night can interfere with blood sugar stability and reduce the benefits of the fiber gel. Keeping the preparation plain ensured that the effects came from chia seeds alone rather than additional carbohydrates. What I paid attention to. I observed how my digestion felt, whether there was any bloating, and how my morning blood sugar readings changed. If the mixture ever felt too thick, I added more water to keep it light and easy to digest. Consistency mattered more than quantity, and increasing the amount did not improve results. Why timing and preparation made a difference. Eating chia seeds dry did not produce the same effect as eating them soaked. When soaked, the seeds were gentler on digestion and more effective at forming the fiber gel needed for slow glucose release. Consuming them at a consistent time each day helped the body adapt to this rhythm. When taken in the evening, particularly before bed, the slow digestion supported overnight glucose stability and reduced morning fluctuations. Changes in hunger and cravings. Daily chia seed consumption noticeably reduced sudden hunger and late-night cravings. Because the fiber absorbs water and expands, it promotes a feeling of fullness without heaviness. This fullness helped prevent unnecessary eating driven by blood sugar dips rather than true hunger. Over time, appetite cues felt more balanced, and meals became easier to manage without strict control or deprivation. Effects on overall body balance. Beyond digestion and blood sugar, chia seeds appeared to support overall metabolic balance. Magnesium content may have played a role in calming the nervous system and supporting muscle relaxation, while omega-3 fats contributed to reduced inflammation. These subtle changes added up, making the body feel more resilient and less reactive to daily stressors. Who may notice the most benefit? People over 40, those with insulin resistance, prediabetes, or slow digestion may notice stronger effects from daily chia seed consumption. As metabolism and insulin sensitivity naturally decline with age, foods that slow glucose absorption become more valuable. Chia seeds offer this support without requiring major dietary changes. Important considerations before starting. While chia seeds are generally safe, moderation is essential. Using more than necessary does not improve results and may cause digestive discomfort. People taking blood sugar lowering medication should monitor levels carefully, as chia seeds may enhance glucose control. Proper soaking is important to avoid bloating or swallowing difficulty. Dry chia seeds should not be consumed without soaking, as they can expand after swallowing and cause discomfort. Eating chia seeds every day did not create dramatic overnight changes, but it produced steady, meaningful improvements over time. Digestion became smoother, energy more stable, and blood sugar behavior more predictable. Rather than acting as a cure, chia seeds worked as a supportive habit that helped the body function more smoothly. Small, consistent choices like this often create the most sustainable health changes. This experience highlights how simple foods, when used correctly, can support the body's natural balance. Chia seeds are not a replacement for medical care, but they can be a valuable part of a thoughtful routine focused on stability rather than extremes. Paying attention to preparation, timing, and consistency makes all the difference.